YouTube end screens can be added to the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video. We can use them to promote other videos, encourage viewers to subscribe, and many more. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a YouTube end screens, just as we did on YouTube cards. Without wasting much of our time, let's get into the video. Same way we used in applying YouTube cards are the same way we used in applying YouTube end screens. So the first thing is to select a video you want to add a YouTube end screens, and you hit on edit video. With YouTube end screens, you are able to select a template to your wish. For example, let me take this one, select. Same way we used in applying YouTube cards are the same way we used in applying YouTube end screens. I said in a recent tutorial on YouTube cards that we have 5 possibilities to apply a YouTube card, whereas in YouTube end screens it is limited to 4. Go to add element, go to create a playlist, or you can choose a video. To select a video, just go to best or select this one. For example, I would like to include this, how to get to New Vegas. I select and I go to create element. We have 3 more left. We want to apply the subscribe button, my channel. You can click and drag to position them to the area you want. This one is the call action for subscribing. Next, I go to add another and include another person's channel here by going to create, or I can import a link to a website. So that is, this one is impossible for now because I don't have the number of subscribers. I'm not in the required list yet. So I'll go to add element. I select a video. I select a video playlist. Click on playlist, and then let me just select this one, the mix kerosene. It is a musical compilation. You are left with one. Resize, pull it here to increase to the level you want and decrease like this. And the last one, I will include another YouTube card, another YouTube end screen. Let me add this one, YouTube cards as well. Okay. And then you can resize the timing. For example, Vegas Pro 16, I click and resize it like this. This one I might also resize, just click and drag. And this one this way. It's like creating a type of transition. So click on preview to have a preview on how it's going to look like. See the way they appear as if I included a transition. So that's how they will appear whenever your video is almost at the end, that is 5 to 20 seconds. So let us go backward and also create some sort of transition. Click and drag to your taste. Let me just put it this way. Yep. And you can also go to preview, hit on preview, see the way they are appearing. So it is best whenever you are editing your video, you allow space. If you want to include a YouTube end screen, you allow space so that your YouTube end screens don't hide a particular area of your video. Hit on saved to save your work and go to return to YouTube. So that is how we apply YouTube end screens. If you found this tutorial helpful to you, don't leave without putting a like, without commenting, without sharing, and without subscribing, so that you will be updated whenever a new video is online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.